Hi, I'm Sandy Crook from Tree Shape Sawmills. I'm located at Linlithgow, just outside Edinburgh. Used to be a tree surgeon for 30 odd years. I have an LT40 which I use for contract milling. I've got a WM1000, the large timber to break down, which I make tables and furniture and stuff with. And I've recently just bought a MP360 moulder planer, which I intend to use to, again, evolve the business and diversifying into a much larger market. As far as I know, I'm the only woodworker in this area to have the full circle of machines from tree to finished product. I use a lot of oak, cherry, elm, quite a bit of larch, a lot of research on the internet, and the MP360 covered everything, all bases, with minimal fiddling about. I don't want to spend half the day changing bits and bobs on the machine just to do half an hour's cutting, but I could just quick change and it's ready for use. Because I'm so satisfied with Budweiser products and the backup I get, it was a no-brainer. Well, basically it's a 10-minute job to switch out a couple of knives, to do tongue and groove. I want to do bigger moulding, that's same again, 5–10 minutes. Ease of use that I really went for that for, and the compactness of it. If I can do it, anybody can do it.